Good morning, students. Once again, I am with you. Myself, Kamal Nath, and I am going to conclude the story, The Fight, Chapter 4 today. This is the third part of the video of this week. And as you know, that you have 3 periods in a week of English. This is the third part of the video, and I will conclude today the story, The Fight, that took place between Antonio and Felix. You remember these two players' name, these two characters, and let us see what is in this part that is interesting. I am sure that you remember the earlier part which I described, which I explained in first video and second video, and here this is here the link with the third. What happened in the fight? How did the two friends, the two fighters, the two players fought, and what was the end of that? So let's see. You remember very well, they had started, the match had already started, and now the two friends were attacking each other. They were trying their best to hit and prove that whatever the skills they had been taught by the trainers in this game, boxing match, they used all the techniques, all the skills, and they were trying to prove themselves a true champion, a true player, and they were playing with true sportsmanship, the feeling of true sportsmanship. Then he tries, let's see, then he tries to give a right cross, but Antonio slips to avoid his attack. Obviously, one was here trying to hit other, and the other no doubt was trying his best to avoid being hit, okay, being hurt. And so in this way, Antonio slips to avoid his attack and strikes back. Antonio strikes back with 3 lefts, which blow down Felix's head. No doubt Felix got here hurt. In order to avoid Antonio's attacks, Felix bobs and weaves. Here when there was counter attack, Antonio tried how he could really avoid the attack of Felix. It was counter attack from Felix, so he tried how to avoid. That's why Felix bobs. Here when Antonio attacked him, Felix here bobs and weaves. Here, what is the meaning of that? You know, here bobs and weaves, that is the term in this here boxing. That means he moves up and down. Okay, in that one he moves up and down and twists and turns from one side to another, okay, quickly to avoid being hit. They are trying to defend themselves in the game, and that is what the term bob and weaves. That is what he is trying here to bend this side this way or that way, so that he would avoid being hit or avoid being attacked. Still, Antonio is able to give 2 lefts. Even he tried, even Felix tried here so much to avoid being hit from Antonio, but Antonio gave him 2 lefts here, 2 lefts blow to Felix's head. Thus, both of them cannot do the knock out which they have planned earlier. They could not knock out they had planned earlier. In the second round, Felix attacked Antonio first by giving a hard right to Antonio's head. Immediately, Antonio countered back by giving left and rights to Felix, in both sides, left also, right side also. Okay, just Antonio countered, means he attacked here, counter attack to Felix. As Antonio advances, when Antonio just proceeded towards him, headed towards him, Felix again bobs and weaves. Again Felix tried to defend himself by bending right and left, bowing down his head, so that he could again avoid the attack. And this is the term, that is here bobs and weaves. In order to counter Felix pretends, in order to counter Felix pretends, okay, he acts that he is attacking Antonio with his left shoulder. He pretended that he was going to attack Antonio with his left shoulder, but attacks with his right, not left. Attacks with his right. And this is what the techniques, this is what the tricks that the players play. That is the game. And you know very well, you also play some games. You also try to really just play a trick with the opponents in the game. So this is also what here in the techniques only, that is in the skill taught. Both of them are not giving up. They are just attacking each other. In the third and final round, Antonio advances and gives lots of punches to Felix. You know what is their punches? With this one, as they really in boxing match, they really hit each other. That is their punch. So in the final round, Antonio advances and gives lots of punches to Felix. Felix also attacks him back. It is not so that he only gets it, he also gives. Means no here player is really giving up or just missing any chance to hit each other in the way most possibly they could do. They tried and they did. Thus, both of them are attacking each other. Seeing this, the crowd stuns. They were surprised, shocked. No one is uttering anything. From the spectators, no sound of applaud, no sound of appreciation or encouragement, nothing. Both of them were fighting in such a way that stunned the spectators. There is silence everywhere. Even the referee cannot comprehend. Referee cannot comprehend, means understand what is going on between the two players. Finally, that round ends. But the boxers do not know this, that the just round has ended. They are continuing their fight. The referee and the two trainers have to come for separating them, both of them, to separate each of them. When they understand that the match is over, they hug each other, they embrace each other. Okay, you know what is the meaning of hug? They embraced each other, hugged each other, and move out of their ring together. They moved out. They left. When did they leave? Here, that is also very interesting. You can see in the ring, here, the referee, they do not care about the result. For them, their friendship is more valuable. Why? In the end of the story, as the announcer declares, you know, when the round is over, gets over, certainly it's just duty of the referee to announce who was the winner, who is the winner. They only announce. So the referee who was in the ring declared the result, and when he turned back only to point out towards the champion, who was the champion, who was the winner, okay, he found no one in the ring. There was no one, no player, neither Antonio nor Felix. Keeping hand in hand, both the players, here both the friends, left the ring and went away. They could not break their friendship. They played with the true sportsmanship, and that was over. The game was over. Nothing more was left for them. They played, they made happy, they satisfied the spectators. Now it was the just time for the referee to announce, and he must have announced or would have announced, but the two friends, the true friends, the two brothers didn't wait there to know, as they were not curious, they were not interested at all about the winner, to know the winner. They had to continue their friendship, and that was more valuable, more important than being champion, than being just winner of the match. So this was what the story, the fight, and certainly you must also learn this lesson, great lesson, Our duty is here, that is to perform. We must perform our duty. We must show our skill when we get an opportunity, a chance, when we are made responsible to show. But what our relationship is here, true relationship, that is to be maintained, is not to be broken just because we have some selfishness, we have some greed. And so they didn't have and they didn't show that. They left the ring and they didn't know only who was the winner. They didn't stop there, being friends as they were. With this only, I have no doubt here just attached one objective question, that is from your understanding the text, choose the correct answer. Here is, when Antonio and Felix went for their daily run, they had something on their minds. Each of them was wondering. What each of them was wondering? There are three options, and the right option has been highlighted. In here you can see green in B. How to defeat the other is first option. B is how the fight might affect their friendship. And third one, C, is how to avoid fighting the other. Only B is correct. How the fight might affect their friendship. That was what the idea that was coming to their mind. In this way, you go to second question. The training days passed too slowly because the training period was very long. The training was very difficult. The fighters felt very nervous about facing each other. And that is what the right option, the last one, C. The fighters felt very nervous about facing each other. Third one is here. The match was important to the community because it had become a tradition for aspiring champions. And that's the right answer. The last two is not here correct, not appropriate. Fourth one is, during the match, the two friends pulled punches to spare each other, fought hard and fair. That will be fair, my dear. That is mistake here. That will be fair, not here. Fought unequally with one outdoing the other. And the second one will be fought hard and fair. That will be fair. By mistake that is printed. Fifth one is, they knew they would always be champions to each other. This statement means the fighters knew that both of them would be champions. That's wrong. The fighters knew that none of them would be champions. That is also wrong. The fighters knew they would always love and respect each other. Okay, this was what that always they thought. Okay, to about each other. So this was what here. One exercise that was objective questions, multiple choice questions, and I included in this only here, with this here, so that you can do. And for the rest of the question answers, grammar based questions, grammar and uses, words in use, I will come again in the next video next week. Till then, be safe, stay just at home and take care. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.